Yo YouTube, so many of you have been asking for this video, so I've finally decided it's the fastest method using a digital game code. And as you can see, this game is pretty expensive, so let's just go to the Nintendo eShop here. I believe the game, so a digital copy of the game is going to cost you around 50 Great British pounds, which is about 60 to 70 US dollars. And this is going to get you a digital code, guys. So I'm going to show you how to get a digital code that you can redeem in the eShop or on the Steam store. And it is going to get you Tomodachi Life, Living the Dream for free. Before I start, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm always searching for money saving methods. So let's get into the tutorial. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser just to obtain your code, and then you can redeem it on your PC or in the Nintendo eShop. So head on over to this website on your mobile, www.crashcoupons.com. So I'm just going to type it exactly like this, Crash Coupons. And apologies if you hear me sniffling in the background, guys, I've got a cold at the minute. So what you need to do is basically look for the Tomodachi Life Living the Dream code page, because there are tons. So I'm just going to type in Tomodachi. Here we go, Living the Dream free digital game code for Nintendo Switch and PC. So this works on both PC and Switch, which is absolutely awesome. And it takes a few minutes to get your code. Considering the price of the game, it is well worth doing. So basically, guys, I did this earlier. You need to unlock your digital game code, and that basically prevents people taking all of the code. So you can only do this once to get one game code. So what you need to do is click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see a new page load up here, and it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do to unlock your Tomodachi Life game code. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below. Basically, that's going to unlock your code from Crash Coupons, and you need to make sure you follow the instructions below each of the apps. So on this page, you're going to have a list of applications and surveys. They're all going to be completely free, and they both only take a few minutes to complete, guys. You may see slightly more. I'm in the UK, so there's not many available, but you may see more if you're in the US. And these are really easy things like downloading and installing apps and running them. There's also things like completing surveys and playing mobile games. So yeah, just fully complete any 2 tasks, following the instructions below each. And once you do that, it will send you back to Crash Coupons. I did this earlier, and your full code for Tomodachi Life Living the Dream will be revealed. So you redeem it in the eShop or in your PC, the Steam store. So go to Crash Coupons, and once you reach this page, like I said, guys, just search for the Tomodachi Life game code. So use the search bar or scroll through, and yeah, follow the instructions, and that's how to do it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.